Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study in medicine residency. First, assess your individual learning style, whether it's visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, to tailor your approach effectively. Next, create a realistic and consistent study schedule, even if it's for just 30 minutes each day. This regular commitment builds momentum. Finally, focus on high-yield topics directly applicable to your current clinical rotations and future board examinations, ensuring your efforts are well-directed and efficient. To truly master complex medical concepts, engage in active learning. Regularly use question banks and practice tests. This active recall is far more effective than passive reading. Consider teaching a concept to a peer or a junior resident. Explaining it aloud helps identify gaps in your knowledge. Furthermore, integrate real or simulated clinical cases into your study routine to apply theoretical knowledge directly to patient care scenarios. Efficiently managing your study resources is crucial. Instead of accumulating many resources, select a few high-quality, trusted sources that align with your learning style. Make the most of small pockets of downtime, like during a 10-minute commute or a brief lunch break, for quick reviews. Implement spaced repetition for challenging topics, revisiting them at increasing intervals to enhance long-term retention and recall. Sustaining your well-being is paramount for long-term success in residency. Prioritize adequate sleep, aiming for 7 to 8 hours nightly, and maintain good nutrition to support optimal cognitive function. Actively seek mentorship and constructive feedback from senior residents and attendings to refine your study habits and clinical skills. Regularly reflect on your progress and be flexible, adjusting your study plan as your needs evolve.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.